Hi, it's Roni, and welcome to my channel. And to Christmas in May. Yeah, it's the 25th of the month again, and we will all be either doing something in preparation for next Christmas or trying to catch up from this last. I'm going to scrap that picture of my granddaughter, Charlie, and I'm using Doodlebug, and I thought I'd make an ornament with that Creative Memories circle, a big ornament, not just a little one. And I'm going to have it kind of hanging off the page. And then I'm going to put her picture to the left-hand side since she is facing to the right of the page. That paper that's in the background, that diagonal stripe, it's glitter. So I went ahead and put the white paper on top of it because I wanted it to stick, and I used some liquid glue and let it sit a while. Now this Doodlebug collection. It's been on Peachy Cheap several times through the years, and my sister had gotten me the last one as a present, and I have pieces from others to go with it, so I have plenty of twine, and you might see a couple of sticker sheets that are the same sheet but different parts missing. I'm not sure what all I pull out, but I've taken advantage of the fact that I do have more than one embellishment that I can put on there from the same sheet or not. I do have a little bit of chamella in there, and oh my goodness, there's my rub-ons, and I planned on using them and forgot all about it. Well, I guess I'll have them next month for the 25th. Don't you just hate it when you pull something out planning on using it and then forget? And those rub on really good, at least they have so far. I use my Martha Stewart punch. That one's called a deep edge punch, and it's Garden Gate. Now, I'm not sure where they get Garden Gate out of that, but I think it's really pretty, and I thought it'd work on my ornament there. I started to just put it right up there on the ornament, and then I thought, well, I could decorate this just a little bit more before I do. So I cut that, well, it was a chevron, but I wanted just the diagonal part. And I cut it, and I put red behind it just to repeat the red that's in the background and to give it a little more depth and dimension. And I thought maybe that I might get that on there straight and I could use it to put my title on and it would end up straighter. But I already had my title planned. I did have that plan and the ornament. Everything else was kind of, I'll pull it all out and see what happens. That's why the rub-ons didn't end up on here. I did not actually have them planned, but I wanted them on here. Um, the Oh, y'all notice I have a new trimmer. I've always wanted one that had that extra space on the side because pretty often I cut thinner pieces and they just kind of hang there. And when I try to cut them, they're not straight. And then I have to do it again. And I thought, well, I was on Spellbinder's warehouse sale and they had it pretty cheap and I got it. And a die set. I was just thrilled with that. But yeah, see, it made my title look straighter. At least I think it did. I did use my Echo Park ones for the word tiny with, the little tile ones. And then the tree is Diamond Press. And I think that's called Outline. And then the trimmer is an old Thickers it has glitter on it. It's really pretty. And Crafty Chick 28 here on YouTube had gave them to me once, and I am still using them. I might have done my whole title if I'd had enough letters because that was my first plan, but I have used too many of the E's. I did not have enough E's to make it with, and I could have used the F, but it's got stripes on there, diagonal stripes, and I was afraid they wouldn't line up very good. So I decided, why cut on it when I can think of another way to make my title? And I wanted to add these tags and kind of just drape them around my ornament and have them hanging down because that was really big space up there. And I wanted to add something to fill in that space a little bit. So I thought of the tags and using the twine. And like I said, I've got plenty of twine. I got two of those like the one laying there. And I used the red, green, and white one for this. And I'm going to make a bow too. I thought about making it as I went and just kind of go behind the top of the ornament. But I decided I would just put the twine behind there and then do a faux bow and put it over to the side. I didn't want it dead center, so I am putting it to the side so it's not exactly, well, dead center. If I tried that, it would be where that little circle one was. And I already have it off centered, so my little bow is going over to the left-hand side. If you look over there at the rub-ons, you'll see that it's got several trees. I can see 4 from here. How cool it would have been if I'd remembered to use them and put them across the the ornament somehow, and used up at least 4 trees on my ornament. And I do have another partial sheet. I might have been able to find another tree on there. But no, they didn't end up on there. Not at all. And I am putting my photo on foam tape to make it pop up just a little. And I put one of the tags on foam tape. And, oh, I'm going to make faux stitching around the edge of my ornament just to make it, well, look like it's got an edge on the ornament. That was so professionally said. Um, I'm putting these sequins and they're cat scrappiness, and I think they're called peppermint twist. That's it. Peppermint twist. I'm putting them on there. And you know, I like to put them where they fall, pretty much. And I did down there in the little group by the photo, and I thought, oh my goodness, they fell horribly. I'm not sure if I like them there. But I went ahead and did it. So you'll see a whole glob of red right there because that's how they fell. But I was tempted to deviate from my original plan. Um, if you look down there below, you'll see links to all the other gals that are doing the Christmas in May. And did I say July earlier? I keep wanting to say July. Did I say it earlier? I hope not. But yeah, Christmas in May. It is May. And see what they done for this month. And yeah, if you have anything you want to catch up on, do it now and tag me. I'd like to see it. And let's see. Oh, I am close to getting done. There's one more picture to show. So if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. If you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But have a happy, scrappy week. Bye.